galing sa Baluarte. Namasyal. Ito, ready na kami para matulog at magpahinga. Kasi bukas, alis na ulit kami, pabalik ng Manila. Kasama si Rayo.
Ha? I go to Laguna?
Yeah.
No! What do you mean? Is it a joke?
It's a joke.
Joke.
Okay. Because Baby Rian will
Then tomorrow, bibili na. Hindi pala may video. Picture.
Usually pass by
Ito lang ang sabihin.
fiber, but it is not food and can carry by this thing done by maliit. Maliit lang naman ang binigay mo na kami. Gaano ba kalaki yun? Ano lang? Gaano kalaki yun nga yung papel?
May baby unggoy ka dyan, be.
What?
Baby unggoy. Ayan, dito kami sa Grand Pass Inn. Vegan City.
Oh.
Dagdag mo na lang.
I see.
Look, Rayo. Look, is it too big? The paper.
Why are we looking? What's the purpose of this? Why?
Look here, babe.
Kiss, kiss.
Tomorrow.
Umuulan. Umuulan, guys, dito sa Vegan City. Ayan. dito guys sa coffee shop nila. Na-order tayo dito. Video lang isa. Pwede ka na mag-order. Meron din silang mga ano. Ay. I will charge you to
A few moments later.
Ay, breakfast tayo guys. Hello guys, good morning. Breakfast tayo dito sa Cafe Ono. Dito sa Grand Pass Inn. Grand Pass Inn. Dito kami nag-check-in. Dahil birthday ng aming apo na si Baby Rian Larin. Ito, mag-coffee tayo. Morning guys, let's eat here in Grand Pass Inn. Let's eat. So we have here longganisa, pantos at ito. Longganisa vegan na miss ko. Huwag mo na yung ano ha, ito lang sa akin. Huwag mo na yung ano sa ano kasi. Ayan. Huwag mo na yung ano sa iba. Dito lang. Let's eat guys. City. Kain tayo. May libreng breakfast dito. Like that, yeah. That's old coffee grinder. One more. Oh, the other one. The other one. Okay. The rolling pin. The rolling pin. Babe. That's used for making a dough. Flattening the yeah. Two hands. Hold it with two hands like that. Yes. Yes. Oh. Spam. Nana.
Quesadilla, like we will wait, huh? But you will also eat that.
Maybe that's condensed milk. Isa pala, mas nakablog. Oh, sige, kain na kayo.
That was hotter than an El Nino.
Hotter than the drought, the El Nino drought.
Steer.
Stealing or stealing like yeah, it's hotter than slime or something. That created mine.
The country that created Milo is US, Switzerland.
And Switzerland.
Switzerland. We're Swiss. We are Swiss,
I thought it was
British,
Switzerland.
Filipino, and Mexico. And Asia.
Hey, you eat na. Your ano.
Now you can eat your quesadilla.
Quesadilla, eat your quesadilla.
Quesadilla. Ano?
Queso.
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
I don't know if quesadilla.
Quesadilla. You pronounce it as quesadilla.
What is this combo?
That's bean sprouts. Bean sprouts.
Beans! I'm allergic to beans!
Ay! Naku, nilagyan nila ng bean sprouts. Bawal yan sa kanya.
Tanggalin na kita lang.
Don't eat the bean sprouts, ha? It's just for a design. Design actually.
Design lang yan. You eat.
Just make sure na walang kasama. How does it taste? Like it? There's the sauce.
The sauce. Ano? Queso.
Quesadilla.
Let's eat quesadilla.
Your banana, ha? You're playing Titanic using the cucumber. Later, ha? Your banana.
Let's eat quesadilla. Guys. Yummy. Yummy.
Oh.
Hello